Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text and pictures on the same line in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to align text and picture on the same line. Go to the second page. Then go to the Tools section and select the Place tool. Then choose picture from our file and insert a picture. Then place this picture to this page. Now we want to make alignment picture and text in same line. Select this page. Then go to the text section and go to text wrap option and select show text wrap setting. And we can see here many options. Now I select the square or tight. Then select the largest side. Then click close. Now we can see we align picture and text on the same line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.